In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Adobe Acrobat with your key. Whether you've just purchased a new software license or you're reinstalling it on a new device, this process should only take a few minutes, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, you'll want to start on your home page. This is generally where you'll find all your account details and access to various Adobe services. From here, look toward the upper right-hand corner where you'll see your profile icon or possibly your initials, depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on this profile icon. Once you've done that, from the drop-down menu, you should select the option labeled My Plan. This section houses all information related to your current subscriptions and licenses. Next, after entering the My Plan section, you'll see various categories, such as usage statistics and personal details. But what we're interested in is the Plan and Payment section. Under this heading, you will find different options related to billing and products. You should click on the Products option to proceed to the next stage of our activation process. This is where the magic begins, as it's the place to input your license key and activate your Adobe Acrobat. You'll see a prompt asking for your serial number. Go ahead and locate your license key. Make sure you have it handy. It's usually a series of numbers and letters that you received when you purchased your license. Carefully enter this key into the designated field. Double-check your entries to ensure there are no mistakes, as any typo could delay the activation process. Once you've confirmed that the serial number is correctly entered, you'll see a button, most likely labeled Register. Click on that. The system will then process your information and verify the license key you've provided. This might take a few seconds, so don't worry. Just be patient. If everything is in order, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your Adobe Acrobat has been successfully activated. And there you have it. Your Adobe Acrobat is now ready for use, fully activated with your license key. Before you dive into your work, I recommend that you restart the application to ensure all new configurations are applied correctly. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide has simplified the activation process for you. If you encounter any issues, Adobe's customer support is a great resource, ready to assist you with any additional questions or technical difficulties you might encounter. Enjoy using your Adobe Acrobat and stay tuned for more useful tutorials in the future.